3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during a G3 weekly tournament here in the Philippines. This time, the second challenger from Dagestan BBX is no easy opponent. He only started playing Beyblade X a year ago, and by June 2024, he had already won the Beyblade X Philippines Grand Tournament, where he represented the Philippines in the Southeast Asia Cup in Malaysia, Wawawiwa. Now, he's looking to take down the Dragon King. He's Dirk. Will Dirk defeat the Dragon King in the challenge, or will the Dragon King make a comeback? Stick around to find out. These are the combos that I used for this challenge. Grand Sword with a 380 ratchet and the low flat bit. Grand Buster with the 560 ratchet and the point bit. Cobalt Dragoon with the 160 ratchet and the rush bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
Pick mo na. Ay, dito na. Nag-register na tayo. Hindi isisil yung deck kasi may junior black.
Blackpink na, ba't ko Blackpink sa'yo?
Hindi ito Blackpink. Hindi naman makikita. Ano lang talaga. Okay ka na, kaya? Dito na lang.
Lasers ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Game. Malaman na. Ay, patingin na ang ratchet mo?
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Two zero. Ay, 2-1 pala. 2-1. Ikaw yung 1, di ba? May 1 si game.
Tama! Tingnan mo kung kaya mo malakas yan. Lasers ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Atak yan lang?
Oo.
Lasers ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
3-2. Okay na. Ano yun? Sige. 3, 2, 1, go. Panalo ka first set? Another set tayo. Dito na tayo. Dito pa rin ako. Kailangan manalo ng 2 beses. Hinga.
Gutumin natin. Mamaya may siya. Ay, meron.
3, ay sige.
3, 2, 1, go. Ilolons ko na. Ilolons ko na yung ano, bagong combo natin. Para may pangalan natin. Baka maunahan eh.
Second base.
Okay, Raiders ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Ano, nag-lock, boy. Kaya pala yun.
Lock.
Lain muna natin.
2-0.
Nalimutan mo lang kanina, pag-attack. Ready? Ready? Okay. Just ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Up. Pag sa'yo,
2-1.
kailangan may power. Kasi kailangan mo lang. Tapos bilis.
Shuffle tayo. 2-1 ang score. Tamang ka. Dito ulit.
Sino to mo?
Ikaw 2.
Just ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ready sa
3-1. Alabang ka, 3-1. Second base tayo ulit.
Just ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Panalo ka na. Bakit? Set 2 na yun eh. No? Winner ka na.
And that's game. The final standings are Dragon King 0, Dirk 2. Dirk easily defeats the Dragon King and takes the title of the new Dragon King Challenge Champion. Grats. So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to Dirk and Dagestan BBX, and I'll see you guys on the next video.